The function of a car air conditioning system is to cool and dehumidify the air inside the vehicle's cabin. It creates a comfortable and pleasant environment for the occupants. However, when the AC is not functioning properly, it can make the driving experience uncomfortable for everyone, including the passengers, driver, and even pets or belongings. Reasons why car air conditioning not working. 1. Refrigerant leaks. One of the most common causes of the car AC not working is a refrigerant leak. The air conditioning system relies on a specific amount of refrigerant to cool the air. If there is a leak, the refrigerant level drops and the system may not be able to produce cold air. This leak can occur due to deteriorating rubber hoses and seals with time. 2. Faulty compressor. The compressor of the air conditioning system is responsible for compressing the refrigerant and circulating it through the system. If the compressor is faulty or not functioning properly, it can result in a lack of cooling. 3. Electrical problems. The air conditioning system relies on electrical components such as relays, fuses, and sensors. If any of these components fail or have a wiring issue, the system may not work correctly. 4. Blocked or clogged condenser. The condenser, located in front of the radiator, helps dissipate heat from the refrigerant. If it becomes blocked by debris, such as dirt or leaves, it can restrict airflow and reduce the system's cooling efficiency. 5. Faulty blower motor. The blower motor is responsible for circulating the cooled air into the cabin. If the blower motor fails or is malfunctioning, it can result in a lack of airflow, even if the air conditioning system itself is working. 6. Thermostat or control issues. Problems with the thermostat or the controls that regulate the air conditioning system can prevent it from functioning correctly. This can include issues with temperature control, mode selection, or fan speed. 7. Damaged or worn-out components. Over time, various components of the air conditioning system can wear out or become damaged. This can include the evaporator, expansion valve, or hoses. When these components are compromised, the system may not work effectively. 8. Damaged cooling fan. A damaged cooling fan is one of the major causes of car AC not working. Similar to how blowers push air through home vents, cooling fans in your cars are responsible for circulating refrigerated air into the passenger cabin.